So today we're just going around the shop, checking out what's going on. We have a bunch of projects to go over, and it's just a kind of end of January update. This GTX belongs to a customer that's in St. Albans right here locally. He bought it from Texas and he brought it here right after he bought it, just kind of for a check over. The only thing really we found was the rear main seal was leaking, so he decided, hey, let's pull the engine, let's do the rear main seal. Well, it turned into a lot bigger project than that. While the motor was out, he decided, hey, let's have Peter Pizzigalli build the motor. It's now a little over 500 horse. Big block Mopar, it's based off of 440, still 440, but Holley Sniper fuel injection. We ended up putting vintage air, Champion radiator, dual electric fans. It's a full TTI exhaust system now. We did a lot of exterior trim. We did all the underneath, undercoated the whole underneath, put all tubular suspension underneath, and did some new interior work, some Dakota digital cluster, tough steering wheel, and new seat covers. Pretty much the only thing we didn't touch was we didn't repaint the whole car. We repainted a lot of it, but not the whole car, and that's pretty much the only thing we didn't touch. Other than that, it's going to be a brand new car from when he bought it. So last time you saw this car, this is a 68 Mustang. It was about a month ago when we did the intro video. Right now, it's in the bodywork fab stage. After this, it's going to go on to be mocked up and then be torn back apart, more bodywork, more fabrication, and be mocked up again, and just repeat. But it's a long process and most tedious process of the build, but it's going to turn out awesome, just very detailed and lots of work. So we're actually expanding the bottom of the car about a ½ an inch to make it look lower and just give it that more custom look, as well as a bunch of engine bay modifications, some tail panel modifications, just everything we can do to make it look just that more custom. But it's gonna be a cool car. It's a big build, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, but a lot of work. Okay, so the truck behind me right here on the lift is a 1985 C10. This truck's from a customer named Brian that's from Pennsylvania. He actually is the owner of our blue Camaro that we built. And this truck was started about 4 years ago at a shop in Minnesota. He brought it over here because decided that we might be a better fit for it. So basically what we have to do right now, we just got the truck like a week ago. We have to go through it, kind of get a build plan together, but basically right off the top of my head, it has an LT4 in it, which is a new Corvette Z06 motor, and it has a 8-speed automatic transmission out of the new Corvette, roadster shop chassis, has Spark Industries wheels. You know, it's a big project, but it's another one for us to work on.